You won't. Oh, you're gonna talk. You're such a sweetheart. Thank you. Yes. I love you. I love you. Gonna tell me? Gonna tell me? Hold on. Let me put him on my hand some more. Ready? See? He's a smart frog. Lean with it. Rock with it. See how smart he is? And you talk to the camera. See? Talk to the camera. He loves you. You know he's going to try to hop at you, right? Whoa, grab him! Grab him! Grab him before he gets hurt! I don't want him to get hurt. Oh my gosh. Is he okay? Grab that pear off his lip. Can you get it? Okay, baby. It's okay. I got you. Put you back in the cage.